in Hennur Road. This is a gated community only for 39 lakh rupees plot, 1.5 kilometer inside, 30, 40, 40, 60, 75 plots in the gated community with roads, sanitary lines and all civic amenities. All basic civic amenities are available only for 39 lakhs with loans from SDFC, Indian Bank, LIC and so on. तो मैं आपको एक हेन्नूर का टूर भी करवा दूंगा, एक आधा मतलब नॉट द कंप्लीट हेन्नूर बागलूर रोड, इसका एक छोटा सा टूर मैं दे दूंगा, एक लैंडमार्क्स मैं आपको बता दूंगा ताकि पीपल हु डोंट नो हेन्नूर मच they would at least understand a little bit about Hennur main road. All coming through in the same video. So hang on with the video till the end with me. Hey guys, thanks for visiting Prithvi Nimasi. I'm really happy to see you back again, and this is how we connect with each other all the time. So guys, this time I'm rushing to Hennur to show a property to a buyer which is a gated community, and also the gated community which I'm going to show you is already made in Savaria State Estates. Part 1. This is part 2. So part 1 is well explained completely. Part 2, I'm just getting into the property directly. But I recommend you to see part 1 in Savaria State Estates, and do check the link, see part 1 and part 2 as well. A builder has really done a good development in the property at the moment. This would take about 2 months from now to complete. So because of lockdown, abhi to filhal there is no work going on. Just planning to go now. Buyer is waiting for me. So let us meet in the site. And one more thing I would like to say is this is my video since my birthday. The last video जो मेरा birthday वाला था, उसके बाद ये मेरा third video डाल रहा हूँ, और I am so thankful to people who have wished me in huge numbers, especially Rafi, Nadeem, Ramya, Amshi Mumbai also, and so many other people. WhatsApp में बहुत सारे नाम हैं जिन्हें मैं अभी याद नहीं कर सकता. Thank you guys, thank you everybody to wish me on my birthday. I'm getting tremendous response for that. My client must be reaching there any moment. So let me see how it goes today. I hope I'm going to make you happy this time. So guys, we are back on Hennur main road right now. So that is Vaibhav Hotel right now. This is the Biosine Junction. Vaibhav Hotel will be on your left hand side. After Vaibhav, this is the way we go. On the right hand side again, after Vaibhav Hotel, we get Croma Electronics on Hennur main road. Keep this on your right hand side and straight you go ahead towards the property. So this is Biosine Junction actually called as. After Croma you get Lulu Supermarket, one of the major landmark on Hennur Road. This has been there for more than 15-20 years now, this Lulu Supermarket. So you will never miss this on your right hand side. So after Lulu, when we little further go on the Hennur main road, we get Decathlon on your right hand side. Guys, this has made a big changes on Hennur Road, Decathlon and Salarpuria Satwa. As you can see, the tallest building, one of the tallest building of Bangalore, definitely. So after this, when you cross this landmark of Decathlon, Hennur Decathlon, you get Big Brusky straight here. When you go towards this way, you get, that's Big Brusky there for you. This will also be on your right hand side. So this is how you go straight towards your property while Big Brusky is on your right hand side. After Big Brusky on your left, you get Mantri Web City. After Mantri Web City, straight you go ahead towards the property. So that's Mantri Web City for you. This is one of the biggest landmark, 1500 around apartments in this project. So guys, this is Purna Pragna School right on Hennur main road. This is the way you go to the outer ring road, and that's Purna Pragna School on the main road, and that's the bus stop, and this is how you go to the property. So after Purna Pragna School, just stop here and take a right turn. There you can see the landmark Royal Care Specialty Hospital and Royal Care Pharmacy. This is one of the polyclinics or nursing home, you can say. Just take this right over here, and this road actually takes you to two major areas, that is Doddagubi and Chikkagubi. So on the way, on the left hand side, we come across Casa Grande, this apartment on your right left hand side called as Casa Grande Boulevard. After Boulevard, little further you keep going on the right hand side. This project you're seeing is North Brooks Villa project. Little further, after some restaurants and shops on the left, you get a bus stop, which is a Y junction. A road one straight goes to Alpha Engineering, and on your left hand side, the road goes to Chickagoby bus stop. So the moment I take left turn over here, little further there is assets. Sir, we'll go. I just took this landmark. You follow me. You follow me. So guys, let's go. Buyer is waiting for me here. So I'm just taking the buyer, and once we reach the project, here we have already reached the project. Now there is a lot of changes. This will be 40 feet road. 40 feet road, and last time this was not there. This numbers and all, no? And they had not laid the roads and all that last time. We'll just go around and see. Come. Loans are available. Loans like you can get it from IC, you can get it from LIC, you can get it from this one, what is that called? Indian Bank, HDFC. It's a proper approved layout. It's a DC converted property. So as you saw in my last video, there was no this jalli, no stones. This was not laid. The numbers was not done. Now numbering also is done. So it starts from. Sorry.
How many plots you have in total?
This is totally 75. So these are all 25 feet road. 25, and that is 30 feet, and that is 40 feet, that main road. Yeah, main entrance, that is one entrance, and that is that side you can see there is another, that is an exit. There are two gates. Yeah, there will be proper security here.
What other amenities you have?
Amenities, see here, it's not, no, basic amenities only, not swimming pool, club, nothing. There will be a simple, all trees will be there, 150 trees they'll plant, and maybe they will come up with a landscaping and a small clubhouse or something. That later on they will plan it up. So the whole this is completely about 2.5 acres, near to 3 acres.
Do you have any half sites available?
Half sites I'll show you. So there is complete drainage work, everything is done. They have given the connection as well. So it is all ready to move in kind of property. They'll make it. It will take another 2 months.
Somebody already bought and planning to construct?
Yeah. My clients, my own clients have taken it here. There are hardly 4-5 sites left in the offer right now. 3,200. See, these are all like, so this is one of the entry or exit from here. That is one exit. This is one. And this side, this corner, from there, all this, which is just adjacent to the compound, no? This is all odd sides. Here, there are some bigger and smaller sides. Yesterday I sent you this plan also, right? In that plan, there are some bigger sites which we can manage to give you. We can cut and give it to you. That we will have to discuss. We can sit down and discuss on the plan.
What facing is this?
See, I'll tell you. This plot now, as you can see here, 14. These are all west facing.
This is south facing.
Yeah. So these are all south facings, odd sides. And if you want east facing, you can get those odd sides
On those compound, right?
from there. builder is telling 3200 for 25 sites. For 25 sites, he's planning for 3200, and then after that 25 sites, he'll come up with what is it called? 3500. He'll come back, and anyways, we have sold it for 3200. Around 21 sites we have already done. So you can choose any of them. These numbers and all are given to you already. Yeah. So in this number, which one you want to hold, you can tell us. Now, for example, this 27. If you hold it, then we'll give you the papers, and then you can go for an agreement. 54 and 55 is there, no?
The corner.
That is 54.
One.
Not that one, this one.
Yeah.
Okay, this two.
After that.
Okay, let me check that. The sizes, you know the sizes.
One is 30 by 30, one is 30 by 35.
Okay.
So
I'll check and tell you about that.
I'll check about the bank.
Yeah, bank stuff and all. If you want my help also, I can help you out with the bankers and all that. And we'll sit down with the builder. They will also help you. Paper documents and all. So, when
What is the loan ratio that they're giving?
75%.
75.
Yeah, it depends on the profile and all. 75%. I just wanted to take this. These developments were not there in my last video. This.
Okay, then I will just confirm if that is available.
Thanks. I'll call you.
I didn't get your name.
Prithvi. Prithvi. Thanks for coming. So this is the property which the buyer was asking. He was actually not looking at that, but he was somewhere looking at 54, 55 is probably coming this side. So this video I'm making it for himself because he could not come here. So this is how it looks from here. This corner is about 900 square feet or 960 square feet. It's a very small, the smallest plot in the whole layout. But यहाँ पे, because these are all odd sides, we can probably manage here to give you customized sizes in this corner plot, in this area, in this complete area over here, and those areas which. So quickly, let me go back to the office, edit the video. Edit तो मैं ज़्यादा नहीं कर पाऊँगा, लेकिन I will edit the video and upload it today so you can see the video tomorrow. So guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video to all your friends and help them up to see this property. Thank you. Bye.